The shop manual calls for special tools to spread the control arms in the bushing installation process. I don't have those, so here are my makeshift special tools. For the upper control arm, I bought two 5/8 inch thick bolts and a 2-inch sleeve. I think this one's one of these is 3 inches, one of them is, yeah, this one will be 3, and that's 3.5, I think. And they take a 15/16 socket. That's for the upper. And then for the lower, I found that the old upper shaft with its bushings and one grease fitting worked pretty well, plus a little bit of help from a socket, and I'll show that. In addition to use my special tools, I had 2 wrenches, in my case a 15/16 wrench, and now an adjustable wrench did fine. 15/16 is approximately, probably 7/8 is probably what that should be, so if you have 7/8 that might work better. It worked just fine for me with 15/16. To install the second bushing, you have to spread the control arm a bit. This is that contraption I mentioned before. You got to get it hand tight in here, and then hold this end in place while turning this counterclockwise. 1/3 of a turn of the sleeve, approximately. Well, 1/3 a turn of the head of this bolt, approximately. And you can watch the threads here on the outer shaft and see them move inward as it spreads. I found it easiest to hold it like this, with an adjustable wrench on this and a 15/16 wrench there. And now the shaft is a little bit further inward. I found that some downward pressure on the sleeve kept the socket down and kept the head of the bolt on top from sliding upward, so it wasn't hard at all to spread the control arm. So now it's going to be grease the second bushing and start threading it down and torque it down with the tool in place, and then take the tool off. And once it's torqued down, 145 foot-pounds. I think the range is 140 to 150. Just got to put the wrenches back on and turn this one clockwise, and then pull it out, and then slide the grease seals outward and center the shaft by turning it. It should turn freely, not freely, it should be turnable by hand in between. To me, the easiest way to center it is to eyeball the distance here and here and make them the same, just by turning the shaft, which turns with not too much effort. To spread the lower control arm, I use one of the old upper shafts with its bushing still on and the grease fitting one end. And then stick the grease fitting end through this end, and the other one jammed in the corner over there. And then we're going to loosen this bushing to force the arm out. And I'm going to use 15/16 wrench here to hold this, and then adjustable wrench to turn the bushing. After torquing it down to 200 foot-pounds, just remove the quote tool by reversing tightening the bushing that you loosened, and then centering the shaft as with the upper.